Hi, I'm John Stewart, Chief Investment Officer of Farmers Trust Company. This is the Investor's Edge.
The Investor's Edge, Market Insights with John Stewart, is brought to you by Farmers Trust Company.
Hi, I'm John Stewart. Welcome to the Investor's Edge. First up, the week in review. Powell punishes stocks. Well, if you're an avid follower of the financial markets, you know by now that the Fed chairman, currently Jerome Powell, has about as much or more power to influence markets as anyone on the planet. Now, the Fed collectively has been telling markets for months that they're committed to fighting inflation, and they're willing to do pretty much whatever it takes to bring price pressures down, even if that means tipping the economy into a recession. Now, for some reason, the stock market's been reluctant to believe that message as it rallied more than 10% off of its June lows, thinking that the Fed would come to its rescue if things got too much worse. However, last Friday, Mr. Powell decided to make it simple in an 8-minute speech at Jackson Hole, and the markets received the message loud and clear. The Dow fell more than 1,000 points on Friday alone, and the S&P 500 is now down roughly 8% in just the past 2 weeks. Now, we've been warning that more volatility was likely despite the rally in stocks we got from mid-June through mid-August, and it appears we may still not be out of the woods just yet. For this week's featured insight, time to rebalance? Well, school is back in session, fall sports are kicking off, and Halloween will be here before we know it. Now, with that said, have you looked at your asset allocation recently? Now, you may or may not have an investment objective set for your investment portfolio. For those of you who don't have an objective in place, a common asset allocation would include a combination of equities, fixed income, alternative investments, and cash, all set at targeted percentages. For example, 50% stocks, 50% bonds. Now, given all the volatility in markets recently, the value of asset classes may have earned a different return that impacted the weightings of your overall portfolio. And as a result, your asset allocation may look different than it did at the beginning of the year. Rebalancing your portfolio will reduce the value of the best performing assets in your portfolio while adding to some of the underperforming investments. Think of it as a mechanism to systematically buy low and sell high. That's the ultimate objective, right? Well, rebalancing can be done periodically, say once a calendar quarter, or it can be done anytime your allocations veer too far away from their target levels. Just be sure to keep a close eye on your portfolio so you'll know when it's time to act. Looking ahead, Apple set to unveil new phones. Well, Apple is holding a launch event at its headquarters in Cupertino, California on September 7th, and the company is expected to announce new iPhone models as it has every September since 2012. Now, expect Apple to show 4 new iPhones and an updated Apple Watch, but also be on the lookout for a possible surprise announcement as well. Some people are expecting the possibility that Apple could announce a deal with the NFL and DirecTV to take over the Sunday NFL ticket platform that allows subscribers to watch out-of-market football games. The company is trying to attract new Apple Plus subscribers, and this could be an attractive way to accomplish that. Now, either way, we may see some movement in the stock next week based on investors' reaction to the event. Once again, I'm John Stewart. Thanks for watching The Investor's Edge.
The Investor's Edge, Market Insights with John Stewart, is brought to you by Farmers Trust Company.